Our app, the mobile survey system, will allow any park to receive survey responses from users at their location. To set up the survey, the administrator will log in with a username and password. This login will allow them to create and manage their surveys. If either field is incorrect, a toast will tell them to correct it. Once the administrator logs into their account, they can view the surveys they have previously made, as well as each survey's questions and its average score. They can also create a survey. First, the administrator will input the survey's name. The name field includes a spell check function. Then, they will input the latitude and longitude of the location they want the survey tied to. After they have done so, the user can add new questions to their survey. They are prompted to input a question, and that question will immediately be added to the survey after pressing the Submit button. After they have made all of the questions, they will press Submit Survey to send it to our database. From this point on, their survey can be viewed in the View Surveys function for their account. The administrator will receive instructions on how to set up the QR code, and they will place it in the location the survey is tied to. The next step is for the average user to scan the QR code. The user does not have to be logged in to do this, and after scanning the QR code, they are directly led to the survey in the app. The user must answer each question by clicking on one of the radio buttons. If the user wants to change their answer, they can go back and view and change their previous answers. After answering the survey, they are directed back to the main activity. If the user was logged on, they will still be logged in at this point and can use the Logout button to return to the home screen. When registering as an administrator, the username must follow the format of an email address, and they must include a password. If the password is 6 characters or less, or the email does not follow normal email formatting, they'll be told how to correct it to follow our guidelines. After inputting a valid email and password, their new account will be registered and they'll be immediately logged in. The new administrator's view survey activity will be empty since they have not yet created any surveys. From here, the new administrator can immediately make new surveys, edit previous surveys, and view the responses to their surveys. Using our app, the administrator will easily be able to collect customer feedback on their parks. Thank you for listening. We will now be happy to answer questions.